Did you know that applying all of your skincare ingredients at once just because they're good ingredients can actually ruin your skin? There are combinations that won't be any good for your skin and combinations that will make your skin glow. What do I add and what do I remove? Hey guys, welcome back to Wishtrend TV. It's your sister Eunice here. Now, there are so many new products coming out and they all have so many different ingredients. With this overwhelming flood of products, I think there might be a lot of you guys that can't decide which product to add into your routine. If you want to know how to layer your skincare products to use them to the best of their ability, and if you want to perfect your skincare routine, this video is for you. Now, there are two reasons we layer our skincare. Number one is to get the active ingredients to reach past the stratum corneum and soak deep into your skin. Number two is to increase the effect of active ingredients with no conflict. Now, we've talked about the first reason with detail in another episode of Skinpedia, so check out the how to get active ingredients past the stratum corneum and deep into your skin. If you're interested, please click right here. Alright, now in today's video, we're going to talk about the second reason. We're going to talk about how to increase the effect of active ingredients with no conflict. We will also share how to layer products that work well together, so stay tuned in. We will share how to maximize the layering effects by using ingredients that are similar to each other, or using ingredients that make up for each other's downsides. Applying the same ingredient with different consistency is one way of layering, but if you want to use two or more different ingredients to boost each of their effects, you can also layer by using products with different consistencies or using products at different times of the day. So now we will share the best ingredient combinations for your skincare routine. For products we recommend today that require using SPF or recommend using at nighttime, we will put a special mark on it so you can know beforehand. AHA and BHA ingredients are well known as chemical exfoliants, but when they are in high concentration or used on sensitive skin, they can dry out our skin or cause stinging sensation. The ingredient that makes up for these conditions is hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is a strong hydrophilic, binding skin cells to water and supplying moisture to all layers of your skin. Also, it's very gentle, so it doesn't cause any negative reactions when used with other ingredients. This layering combo is effective because it provides moisture to the skin after exfoliating. Vitamin C has a strong anti-oxidizing effect, which makes it effective against aging, dull skin, and even hyperpigmentation. Vitamin C is already a very popular ingredient, but what is another ingredient that we can use along with it? Arbutin is an ingredient previously mentioned in Skinpedia, which is effective for brightening. It also has a very strong anti-oxidizing effect, and this effect is maximized when used with vitamin C. However, these two ingredients may irritate or dry out your skin, so please don't choose a product that is too high in concentration and make sure one of the two ingredients is in a cream format. Vitamin E is also known for its strong antioxidizing effect, and when these two vitamin ingredients are used together, they stabilize each other, maximizing the antioxidizing effect. Vitamin C oxidizes easily because it is water soluble, and it can absorb into the skin as well when it's penetrating through the skin lipid layer. However, if you use oil-soluble vitamin E with it, vitamin E protects the cell membrane and skin lipids, preventing vitamin C from oxidizing and increasing skin absorption. Niacinamide is known to be effective for hyperpigmentation and wrinkles. It's an ingredient that is effective yet gentle on the skin. It's safe to use, so it's perfect for mixing with other ingredients. Now, peptide is an ingredient effective for wrinkles, and it goes well with niacinamide, which has similar effects. You can use these two ingredients as products with different consistencies, or you can look for a product that has nicotine oil tripeptide, which is a peptide fused with niacinamide. As much as retinol is known for being effective on wrinkles and acne, it can be an irritating ingredient. So I'm sure many of you guys are very curious if it can be used with different ingredients. Ceramide helps the skin to adjust to retinol so that it doesn't get irritated as much. Also, it helps to keep our skin from becoming dry from using retinol, so they are a perfect match together. There are some ingredients that can make your skin worse when used together, so you have to be very careful. Collagen and vitamin C are both great ingredients to improve our skin's elasticity, but they don't work well when used together. Collagen is the main ingredient for the protein responsible for skin's elasticity, and it has the nature of coagulating to vitamin C. So when they are used consecutively, the protein will clot, making it difficult for the active ingredients to reach deep inside the skin, so they shouldn't be used together. If you do want to use both of these ingredients, we want to recommend that you use one during the daytime and the other one at nighttime. Using a product that helps to control oil and an oil product at the same time may not ruin your skin, but it does lower the effects of the products. Most pore care products have ingredients that help to control the skin's oil in order to prevent excessive sebum and acne. So if you use a product that contains sulfur or calamine, which controls oil, and then use a product that is rich in oil, both products cannot work the way that they should. If your skin feels dry after using an oil control product, try using a moisturizer that is rich in moisture rather than oil content. Most anti-aging products are rich in oil, so make sure you check the ingredient list before you use it. When layering high concentration products, you have to be a little more careful. The active ingredients may get in the way of each other and not work the way they should. Also, it can be too much for your skin to handle, and it can make your skin sensitive or cause breakouts. If you're using functional or high concentration products, use them at nighttime. Most functional skincare products have a lot of photosensitive ingredients, so if you want to use them in the morning, it is very important that you apply SPF. Now, using a high concentration product twice a day, it can irritate your skin. So if you have sensitive skin, we do want to recommend that you only use it at nighttime. Alright guys, so today we talked about how to layer different active ingredients. And there may be some of you that try it out, but that might get breakouts or skin irritation. If this is the case, use the products with less frequency or use the products that are lower in concentration. I hope that today's video was helpful for your journey on finding the ingredients that work well for your skin. Before you go, we have a very special video for those of you who want to know more about the products mentioned in today's video. Please do go check it out, and all the products mentioned today will be linked in the description below, so for those of you that are interested, please do check it out. Now, if there is something you want us to talk about in our next Skinpedia, let us know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for tuning in until the very end, and we will see you in the next one. Bye, Wishtrenders!